We'll guide you through how to set up a Gmail account creation. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Gmail website by typing mail.google.com in your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look for the Create Account link, which is usually located at the bottom of the sign-in box. Click on it, and you'll be presented with options like For Myself or To Manage My Business. Select For Myself to start setting up a personal Gmail account. You'll then be directed to a form where you need to enter your first and last name, choose a username that will become your email address, and create a strong password. It's important to pick a username that's unique and memorable, and make sure your password is secure by including a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After filling in these details, click Next. On the following page, you'll be asked to provide a phone number for verification purposes. Enter your mobile number and click Next again. Google will send you a verification code via SMS, so go ahead and check your text messages, enter the code into the site, and click Verify. Once verified, you'll need to complete some additional info like a recovery email address, your birth date, and gender. These are essential for account recovery and personalization options. After completing these fields, click Next, and you'll then be prompted to agree to Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure to read through these policies and then click I agree to proceed. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Gmail account. You can now start sending and receiving emails, and take advantage of all the features Gmail offers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.